Here at eRank, we're back again with the top keywords on Etsy now. Let's take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the most popular search terms with US shoppers. Then we'll analyse what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling best on Etsy now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This video is just a summary. For more details or to see the trends in other countries or marketplaces, please head over to the blog. January's US top 20's most searched keywords on Etsy. Beware of trademark terms. This report may contain keywords that are trademarked. And as always, we'll start with the current top 20 keywords that weren't on the previous month's top 20 list. These get our focus because they climbed the furthest. That is, in just a month, they leapfrogged over most of the places in line. And any climbers that didn't rank in the previous month's top 1,000 at all, we call screamers, because they scream to the top out of nowhere. Etsy's top 20 lists have been more volatile for well over a year now. It's becoming the norm to see a turnover of 9 to 12 keywords be new month on month. And January 2025 has 12 climbers, with 4 of them screamers. We'll look at those shortly, but before we do, we want to point out what's strikingly not at the top of this January's list. These were the top 5 searches back in January 2024 compared to the top 5 searches this year. There were 8 Valentine-related searches in that top 20. This year, just 3. Last year in January, 46 Valentine searches made the top 1,000, 34 of them in the top 500. This year, there were 36 all told, and only 23 of them made the top 500. Last January's number 1 Valentine gift ranks number 162nd now. Here it is, the poor thing. Year on year, Valentine gift is down 94%. Ouch. And Valentine's gift ranks lower at 206. So if your Valentine's Day sales have declined this January, it's not you. Search volume is way down. Not sure of what's going on. Do you have any theories? Jan will update this report in the blog next week to let you know if this holds true for our other top Etsy countries. These top Etsy searches climbed highest fastest. This is January's climbers in current rank order, followed by their rank, if any, in December. We know you're busy, so let's whittle this list down further. Some are seasonal. They trend every year ahead of Valentine's Day. Add them to a keyword list for next year if you like, but only one, number 14, Galentine's gift, is possible to rank in the Etsy search. So we'll look at that one, plus a new one that might be a good lead. Some of the other climbers didn't have far to go. They're top 20 frequent flyers that just got bumped by December's holiday shopping searches. These trusty regulars, number 13, necklace, 15, home decor, 18, digital prints, and number 20, shirt. And by the way, shirt has the highest monthly click-through rate in January's top 20, 131%. So let's begin with a quick look at that one. And then at the end, we'll do our first monthly click-through rate roundup of 2025. If you're here to find out what might be selling best on Etsy these days, stick till the end. Ranking 20th, shirt is up from number 48th. This is a search that never strays far from the top 20. Keep in mind too that this data is just for the singular form, shirt. As always here, we consider the keyword in the form the shopper used in search. This is just a reminder that the defaulting keyword tool is to include near matches. Doing so gives you a best idea of the actual shopper interest. And a tip for new members, ever wonder which keywords include near matches includes exactly? Scroll down the page to the related searches table and click the tab labeled near matches. Usually you'll just see the singular and plural forms of your keyword, as you do here, but sometimes there are others, even some you might not have considered, so it is worth checking. This table also provides you a nice high-level overview focused on just the nearest matches. As you can see here, shoppers are more interested in shirt, singular. Over 15 months, it's averaged 184% more searches. And look at those click-through rates. Shirt singular has a 12-month average click-through rate of 127%, well above shirt's 92%. For the month of January, shirt ranked much higher too. Shirts plural ranked down at 91, while the plural had monthly click-through rate of 120%. It was 11% less than that for shirts at 131%. All of which suggests this: shirts plural has less purchase intent. Discovering what the most popular search terms are now with Etsy's US shoppers is helpful, but for insight into which of those trending products are selling best, we want to look at the click-through rates. And just now, back to our short list of January's climbers. Ranked second, Housewarming Gift is up from 516th. This shopper search has eRank's trending banner flagging that it's popular right now. But we don't see this search make the top 20 much. Indeed, September through November, we didn't see it even make the top 1,000. So we took an incognito peek at Etsy's US homepage. Now, we did have to swipe a couple of times to see this set of gift categories, but yep, there it is. And we bet there was a similar one last year. Housewarming Gift ranked 13th a year ago in December, then tanked that January, ranking down at 397th. 12 months later, it did the reverse, low in December, rocketing high in January. Given how erratically Housewarming Gift performs, its rare top 20 appearances are almost certainly Etsy's doing. And Housewarming Gift's lukewarm click-through rate supports this theory. Its average click-through rate is just 83%, and for January 2025, when it ranks in the number 2 spot, it's got a monthly click-through rate of 80%. That is low for Etsy. Don't get us wrong, this is a profitable niche. Decor, wall art, home goods, from furniture to mugs, they all sell really well on Etsy. It's the erratic performance of this particular keyword that we lack confidence in. With competition from your fellow US sellers running at well over 1 million, why bother optimizing for it? Add it to a keyword list and trot it out for the holidays. Just don't expect it to help much. Ranked 9th is Personalised Decor Gift. Of January's 4 screamers, this seems the least related to Valentine's Day, and it didn't look all that familiar to us data geeks here at eRank. So off to the keyword tool we went, and sure enough, that's a classic spike all right. Personalised Decor Gift is another home gift related search. Its abrupt popularity could be due to an Etsy promotion. We weren't able to find this one, but it might have been there in January. What's curious is how many Etsy listings are using this keyword, well over 1 million. Why, when before this month it literally had 0 traffic? That is a head scratcher. Or maybe those sellers just need eRank. So yes, there's plenty of Etsy shopper interest in all things gift, decor and personalised. However, the competition levels throughout the related searches table for personalised home gift are ridiculously daunting. For those of you looking for what to sell on Etsy, we don't recommend this niche. Ranked 14th is Galentine's Gift. Etsy's been promoting this on the US homepage. Celebrating Galentine's is still somewhat niche, or maybe not, given how much higher Galentine's Gift ranks than poor 162nd Valentine's Gift this year. As you can see, Galentine's Gift got no searches a year ago in January or February, but we took a little and found these two in last January's top 1,000. Galentine's and Galentine's Day gifts. And Galentine's also ranked in the top 1,000 that February, as it did again this January, ranking higher than last year. What surprised us were the searches by country pie chart for Galentine's Gift. The US only has 30%, which is much less than its typical share of the pie. That doesn't mean there's less shopper interest in the US, rather, there's much more than usual elsewhere. The UK has 8%, Turkey 6.9%, Canada and Vietnam 5.2%, Italy 4.1%, Morocco 3%, and the second largest share at 25.4% is other. At least a dozen more countries have shoppers using this keyword. That said, we know the UK had the same promo on their Etsy homepage. It could well be that all the others do as well, and any shoppers unfamiliar with the term could be clicking it out of curiosity. Still, we'd recommend adding Galentine gift to a keyword list and start putting it to work early next December. You know what else? Maybe keep an eye out for Palentine. Seriously, Hallmark makes cards. Palentine's Day is celebrated globally on February the 13th. Galentine's Day focuses on women's friendship. Palentines are for your other pals. And we see no reason Palentine's Day shouldn't celebrate our animal friendships too. Just add it to a keyword list and see if it catches on. Up next is your insider access, showing which of the top 250 keywords on Etsy have the highest click-through rate now. Are you here to find out what to sell on Etsy? Then this lightning round is for you. Of the 10 top online marketplaces we cover, Etsy has the most keywords with high click-through rate. That said, even on Etsy, click-through rates of 125% and higher are rare. We did these calculations based exclusively on January, our most recent full month of data, which means that regardless of what their 12-month click-through rate are, these products show the most purchase intent right now. We hope some prove to be profitable for you. One last thing before we begin, some of these shopper searches could cause an Etsy seller problems, whether they're protected by intellectual property rights or prohibited by Etsy. Please look before you leap. Over on the blog, Jan looks into the top 250 keywords with high purchase intent and also the top trending keywords in other countries. As always, we love hearing what you think. Got questions or suggestions? You're welcome to join us in eRank's private Facebook group. With over 28,000 members from all around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.